Ano yung feeling mo nung nakita mo na, oh, gold medalist na yung mga anak mo?
Well, they become gold medalists during that competition, but after the competition, they go back to train again, and like parang wala nangyari, they have to train again and compete for the other competitions. Like na parang they don't na hindi sila nanalo ng gold medal, so they have to train every day just to compete for another competitions.
Coach, grabe yung mentality na yun eh. Gano'n ka-importante yung mentality na yun para sa'yo?
Well, kasi para hindi to be humble. Kasi if they think like every day they always win, baka isipin nila sila na yung pinakamagaling.
Oo.
So what do we, Coach Bart and I always tell them na you're champion during that time lang.
Yeah.
So after that, you're back being your old self, your old competitors.